I hope I don't got lipstick on my teeth. I'm just talking to y'all. Anyway, hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a empties video. Not only is it going to be an empties video, it's going to be whether or not if I'm going to repurchase these items. Do I like them or do I not like them? Do I suggest them? Do I not suggest them? My ratings, my thoughts, all that good old stuff. So if y'all interested, stay tuned to the remainder of the video. But before we jump into it, y'all already know what I'm about to say. Stop right now, subscribe, put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And without further ado, we're gonna jump right into the video. The video. So I got some of the products in this shoebox. Ghetto, but anyway, who cares? So I think I got about maybe like 5 or 6 products, so this is going to be a rather fast, quick video. So first up on the list, y'all already know the answer to this one. It is the Wetline Extreme Gel. This is the new revamped version of it. I think since they've revamped this gel, I've purchased this gel maybe like 4 or 5 times. Because if you all do not know, I am obsessed with wash and goes, and this is one of my go-to products when I do a wash and go. What I do love about this gel is lightweight. It doesn't have a strong scent to it. It says max hold of 10, 24-hour duration. This is 35 ounces of product and it's under $5. I want to say it's like $3 for this gel. You guys, the price is right. The size of the product is right. This gel, okay, a little bit goes a long way. It does have that extreme crunch hold to it, to me, if you overuse it. But it gives you so much definition, you guys, and it does not make your hair feel dry or brittle. Like, it still feels like your hair is moisturized. It all depends on what products you use before you apply this gel, on knowing what type of wash and go your hair is gonna, or what type of wash and go your hair is gonna come out with. Because if you use soft, lightweight, like moisturizers, and then apply this, you're gonna get a nice fluffy defined wash and go. But if you're going to use just like a regular spray leave-in and then apply this, which mainly your only product is more so going to be this, you're going to have a really crunchy hold, very extreme wash and go. So with me, I go back and forth. Sometimes I want to like a fluffy wash and go, sometimes I want a more defined crunchy wash and go. Either way it goes, this gel it's bomb. It elongates the curls and it gives you extreme definition. Love, love, love this. I will be repurchasing this. So yes, this will be a rebuy. All right. Next up on the list is this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling Conditioner Leave-In Conditioner. It's this right here. You're supposed to shake it to mix the products together and all that good old stuff. I really don't know how to feel about this product. I don't really see what it does to my hair. Literally, I only use this when I want to apply a lightweight leave-in, depending on what type of style that I want to apply to my hair. Will I repurchase it? I mean, it gets the job done, but I'm not really sure how I really feel about it, and I'm done with it. Like, I'm done with it. This is 8 ounces of product. I want to say this is under $5. It has coconut milk in it, so it does have a nice soft coconut smell to it. And you can use this for normal hair or, you know, natural hair, either or. But it says that the coconut softens and improves manageability. Yes, it does leave the hair soft and you can manage it, but that's about all it does. You cannot I don't feel like you can detangle with this, just me personally. And it does say that. It does say detangling and conditioning leave-in, but I don't feel like, personally, not my texture of hair, I don't feel like I can detangle with this. I didn't attempt to, because I can already tell off the bat when I'm spraying my hair that it's not going to work. But to each his own. Would I repurchase this? Yes, because like I said, I do use this with certain hairstyles that require me to leave a lightweight leave-in. So yes, I would repurchase it, but I'm not really sure how I feel about it. So if you all have a comment about this, please leave it in the comment section down below, because like I said, I really don't know. Next up on the list is going to be this Aunt Jackie's grapeseed and avocado oil. It looks like this, you guys. It is 4 ounces of product. It says enriched with coconut, improves porosity levels, moisture balance, extra pre-poo treatment, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oils, and no petroleum. Natural growth oil blend. So this oil can be used to oil your scalp. It can be used as a pre-poo. It can be used as a hot oil treatment. You can use this oil for numerous of things. I will say I love the fact that it has a nozzle, so I probably will reuse this bottle for something else. I like the fact that it had grapeseed and avocado oil in it. I think I paid $3.99 or $2.99 for this at my local Marshalls. That was a great buy. I like the fact that it don't have all of these ingredients that us natural girls don't like in our hair. Jackie products are bomb.com regardless, but this oil smells good, it feels good. I did do all the 3 things that I mentioned, I did use that for this. I use it as a hot oil treatment, I use it as a pre-poo, and I use it just to moisturize the scalp. So a little of this goes a long way. It's not a thick oil, it's a very lightweight oil, but you guys, it is bomb. And she has these in other mixtures of oils, and they do different things. So if y'all interested in that, I'll try to find a link and leave it in the description right down below for you guys. But this oil is bomb.com, period. All right, next up on the list is one of my favorite products right now. I don't know where I'll be without this product, and this is actually another Aunt Jackie's product. Yes, you guys, this is the Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. You guys, all I'll say is, number 1, this smells so good. Number 2, it feels so good. It keeps your hair moisturized. You can detangle with this. It does say it's Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. Sulfate free, paraben free, no mineral oil, no petroleum, ultra hydrating deep moisture therapy for dry hair, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. Revive dry hair with this. Oh my god, you guys, if your hair is dry, this is the way to go. If you're looking for a great leave-in conditioner, this conditioner is bomb.com. I have repurchased this product about 4 or 5 times now. I actually went on Amazon and found bigger bottles of this. It's amazing. I will continue to use this throughout my natural hair journey until I find something that's actually better than this. But right now, this is a great detangler. It's a great moisturizer, and it does hydrate the hair. So if you're looking for something like that, this is your go-to product. I promise you, you all will thank me later. It's amazing. It's bomb.com. All right, next up on the list, so since we're talking about hydration and moisture, it is this S-Curl No Drip. Y'all, I've been using this for like the last 6 months, mainly all of this year. This stuff is an oldie but a goodie, but it's by Luster's S-Curl No Drip. It's for curls, waves, and natural hair. Anti-frizz formula, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. You get 8 ounces of product in this container. I think it's under $5. This stuff right here used to be back in the day for Jerry girls and stuff like that, but they've revamped this. When I say one of the best smelling products in the world, this tops down, this hand down is like one of the best smelling products in the world. Not only is it the best, this stuff right here makes your hair feel like cotton. It is so soft. It is very moisturizing. It keeps your hair hydrated. You don't feel no brittleness. You don't feel no parchness, no nothing in your hair when you're using this. You guys, if y'all don't get nothing out of my video, these 2 products are my favorite out of everything. Out of everything that I mentioned today, these 2 products are my favorite. But I've been using this. I'm obsessed with this. I'm looking to actually buy a bigger bottle of it, because I've been kind of cheating myself by buying these for $5. I buy them like every other week, because not only do I use them in my hair, I use them in my son's hair. My son's a mix, so one of my sons have a curlier texture hair, and this works really good in his hair as well. So I'm loving this. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I don't know why I got so many of Aunt Jackie's products in here, but I'm feeling her products. Next up on the list is this Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curl Gel. This is enriched with flaxseed and wheat protein. It looks like this. I think this is like $7. This is 15 ounces of product, you guys. This stuff right here does exactly what it says. It smells good. It's a lightweight gel. It does elongate your curls. So if you're looking for length when it comes to wash and goes, twist out, braid out, this gel is the way to go. You will see the length in your hair by using this gel. It's amazing. It actually feels very moisturizing as well. But it does say it's flaxseed rich with omega fatty acids, promotes hair health from the inside out, and prevents dryness and flaking. Y'all, bomb.com, amazing, amazing, amazing. I didn't realize I had so many products in today's video, but this stuff right here is bomb. Next up on the list is a hair oil, and it's by DNA. It's the Jamaican black castor oil. It's the lavender scent. It looks like this. And this is relaxing, calming, natural extract remedy for minor aches and strains, enriches inner balance and well-being. You can use this on the skin or on the hair. I was using it on the hair. Lavender in general is just an amazing oil, you guys. If you all need more detail about lavender, I will leave that in the description bar down below, or I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. But this hair oil, I love Jamaican black castor oil, by the way. That's like one of my top oils in the world. But to include it with lavender, just the scent alone is amazing. And I like that this is a multi-purpose oil. So not only am I using it in my hair, I'm using it on my skin as well. This was $6.29. I think I picked this up at my local beauty supply store. If I can find a link for it, I'll leave it in the description bar down below. But castor oil is my best friend. I like trying the different scents, and the lavender scent was bomb. It's not the best smelling, but you guys, works. Okay, I got one more product on the list, and then we're gonna get out of here for today. Anyway, that is the Lustrous Pink Glossier. It says add shine, eliminates frizz for natural and relaxed hair, made with aloe, shea, jojoba, and silicone free. It looks like this. If you all are looking, you remember back in the day when we used to use oil sheen. Yes, some people still do use oil sheen. I don't. This stuff right here smells so sweet. It gives your hair so much shine, and you all know natural hair is kind of already dry. So to apply this when you're finished or when your hairstyle is completed, it gives that hairstyle just that extra it gives it that extra shine. It makes it look so healthy. I want to say this is like maybe $5 for this. This is actually the bigger bottle, and I got it for the same price. It says 50% more free. It is 12 ounces of product, so I'm thinking that the regular size of this is 6 ounces. But you it's bomb.com. It does say spray 6 to 12 inches away from your hair, but I'm gonna put a bit on. I don't got enough. It almost smells like a hair perfume. This is a bomb, y'all. Bomb.com. So if y'all looking for something that's going to give y'all shine and all of that, and it has oils in it, aloe, shea, jojoba, silicone free, y'all, this is the way to go. I love this shine. So when you all looking for that extra and when you're finishing up your hairstyles, the way to go, you guys. Anyway, I think that was the last product for today's video. If you all are interested in more of these empties or would I buy or repurchase videos, please hit that like button and leave me a comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe and put on your post notification bell so you all are notified every time I do an upload. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.